Eduardo Equipe from Equipe's Lab, and today I'm going to keep on the restoration process of my W116, and I hope to be able to solve some problem that bothers me since I bought this car back there in 2018. There are this hood structure reinforcement. They seems their original glue fell out, and they are like this. Today I found out that I found out that there exists some special glue for that. So I bought it, and let's try to solve it. I hope it works. If then you install the hood insulation here, that I have a brand new one, and this car probably will look much nice and quieter. So follow me on. So first I covered the engine to avoid dirt and debris to go on, to make everything worse than it is. And with some spatula, that's funny, practically the same word as in Portuguese, but with a spatula you remove the rest of old glue, and let's see what will happen. Now I'm gonna finish cleaning using some rag with solvent, and I think it'll make the surface ready for that. So I didn't put the glue just yet, but I've made some template to test if everything is gonna work out the way I planned. So now it seems nice. I protect the fenders and the rest of the engine bay with old carpets, and used some woods to support the hood reinforcement, and the hood with its own weight probably gonna hold up the glue in place. Looks like honey. Something tells me I should have bought more than one can, because I think I'm not going to prepare this the right manner from first attempt. Ainda bem que eu protegi isso aqui. It won't look so pretty, but anyway, this will be always covered with the hood insulation. So there it is. So beautiful. So guys, if you have used this before, please leave in the comments. I'm curious. I'm not even I don't even know if I'm doing this properly. These hoods are heavy, and I don't want it to fall down on my head. So in the end, I found out the best way was to leave the hood in this angle and support it underneath with these pieces of wood this way, and put some heavy weight in a box above it. This box only contains old carpets and so on, so it's nothing too aggressive. Yesterday I was trying to glue back these reinforcements of my hood. It didn't work so well the first time, but I used more glue and let it dry the whole night, and seems it's hard and stiff now, and made it stay in place. I will try to make this, to put some paint here and make this finish it better. Actually, this is going to have the insulation over it all, so this ugly job here I made like a big job. It will never be visible anyway. So let's start it. I love this car very much, and I really want it to be perfect. So now it's finally time to apply the glue. My voice is strange because I'm finally wearing a mask. So once Pierre Hedder said in his video that the only glue that you'll be able to leave this insulation in place forever is a Mercedes special glue, but I live in Brazil.
Yeah, I think it'll be impossible to find this glue here, so I'm gonna use some glue you call here shoemaker glue, or cola de zapatero. This time I'm wearing a mask because it's really toxic and can make you be high. But wish me luck. I'm going to do this step by step because I think it'll be easier to. Vamos fechar o capô agora. Gonna make more 1/3 of the area. If I didn't protect this wood, for sure, put my insulation at this point right now. So let's finish up the last section, the last third, and then I'm gonna get this wood clean and clear and beautiful as it should be. I know, I'm not wearing gloves. I couldn't buy one yet. Today's sandals. So, ta-da! Look how it is. It looks much nicer, much better. Hope the sound will be better too inside the car, it will be less noisy. But looks, I'm proud of my car. It was an excellent way of spending the Sunday. Wow. So thank you for watching, guys. And this we finished the day, and this way we finished the day. And I'm really proud of this job. The car looks much better, and I can pop up my hood and won't be embarrassed in the gas station now. Thank you for watching. I hope I was useful, and please share, like, and subscribe. All of this YouTube stuff and so on for my channel to be able to reach more people around the world. Thank you. Love you.